4 short weeks ago, the first doses of the Pfizer vaccine arrived here in Ontario. 3 weeks ago, the first doses of Moderna vaccines were approved by Health Canada. And in a short period of time, our hospitals and the task force have moved mountains to get these vaccines out to our long-term care homes. We brought long-term care workers to our hospital sites. We found ways to move the Pfizer vaccine. We rapidly expanded vaccination capacity, working hand in hand with our partners to secure mass vaccination sites like a hockey arena in Newmarket and the Metro Toronto Convention Centre. We have a well-oiled machine led by General Hillier and your task force, and thank you, General, and the task force. In fact, we have delivered over 226,000 doses to date, more than any other province in the entire country. And we are capable of scaling up to administer 40,000 doses a day and beyond. We have the capacity, and we are in desperate need of those vaccines from the federal government. The news from the federal government today that Canada won't get any new Pfizer vaccines next week, and far fewer than expected in the coming weeks, it's troubling. It's a massive concern. My message to the federal government is that nothing else matters right now. Every day we're giving out less vaccines than we have the capacity to administer is a day we lose. Because this vaccine is the difference between life and death for our most vulnerable. But despite limits on the supply, here in Ontario, we have made incredible progress in the span of 4 short weeks. We're emptying the freezers on what we have received so far. We're getting needles into people's arms, and we're focusing on our most vulnerable. Earlier this month, we set a target of getting all long-term care homes in our 4 hardest hit regions vaccinated by January 21st. And today, I can announce we have hit this target ahead of schedule. In fact, we have completed the first round of vaccinations in over 40% of all long-term care homes in the province. We've finished the first round ahead of schedule on all long-term care homes in Toronto, Peel, Windsor, and York, our 4 hotspot areas. We've also completed the first round of vaccinations at all long-term care homes in Ottawa, Simcoe, Muskoka, and Durham. And many more regions are making great progress. Across the province, over 83,000 long-term care residents and the nurses, PSWs, and staff who care for them have received the first dose of these life-saving vaccines. And we are well on our way to meeting our target of delivering these vaccines to all long-term care homes across the province by February 15th. My friends, this is the first of many victories against this deadly and ruthless enemy we face. We will not rest until every single long-term care home and all Ontarians who want a vaccine get it. But all of this rests on getting the vaccines we need from the federal government. And we are prepared to do whatever we can to support them on this. My friends, we will get through this. But until vaccines are more widely available, please stay home, stay safe, and save lives.